Yeah, no, I'm glad it's back. We can get it done and get the
I wish it wouldn't have been back. I think he should have totaled the piece of shit out.
Because you want to stay here forever.
I think he should have totaled it out.
Well, so there's no use going on about it. Just get it fixed and forget it.
Look what they have to do here. Now, I talked to the mechanic guy, and this is really, really hard to believe. He claims, when they brought the car over there, he claimed they had to pull the whole engine out of the car to put this front thing on. I just can't believe, okay, I just can't see pulling this whole fucking engine out to replace this cover here. And if you look real close, you can see what's brand new. Look at that. Can you see it?
Yes, Pete.
Okay, well, it's all brand new.
Okay, it was broken. It needed to be.
It was broke right here. You know, this is what you call over-engineered junk. All right? Why would they put the oil filter here so when you get in a front-end wreck, bam, it basically totals the car out. So the owner, the mechanic shop told the owner, he says, why don't you just buy a whole used engine? And of course, Mr. Majestic, damn, does the truck have to be that loud going up the road? So, Mr. Majestic, look at this. They didn't even replace that. Look. Are you looking at that?
Yeah, Pete.
Okay, well, there was one over there. Why didn't he get it off the car? Now I gotta do it. And here's our damn paint supplies. Let's get a talk with this guy and see what he has to say. This is something that everybody should be getting from their paint and body shop supply. Free cups. So what's up, bud?
Pete's a cup hoarder, just to let y'all know. He hoards cups. We've got thousands and thousands and thousands of cups.
Okay, this was a custom mix paint here. This was the custom mix stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we're having a real bad day today, so let's hope that this paint doesn't turn out to be one of those days. All right, let me sign that. I know you're busy. You don't want to hear me hollering and screaming today. Okay, do I get a copy?
Yes, sir.
For my tax records.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Y'all have a good weekend.
See ya.
All right, we'll see you later. Ellis Color Supply, our favorite paint store in Dallas, Texas. So back to the car. You know, I'm a little bit pissed off. It looks like, look at here. He didn't even fix this. Look at this. This is broke. This is freaking broke. Okay, that ain't like that. That doesn't stay like that. So now we got to order this bullshit little bracket. I guarantee you that plastic bracket probably costs $100. What do you think?
What? You're not paying for it. Who cares, Pete?
I care.
Well, then.
Okay, I care.
Then you're stupid. Why would you care? It's not your car.
Why am I stupid? That doesn't make sense.
Because you're mad because a part costs X amount of money?
Just because it's got an emblem. What's this right here? It looks like this ain't even... Look at this. The mechanic... Okay, that's on there. Okay, now. I just don't believe this, all right? I guarantee you that little piece of crap bracket probably costs $100. Do you see what I just did? Huh? Do you see what I just did?
You took that bracket off. Wow.
Yeah. I was testing the situation out because if we look at the front end of this, okay, this thing has like 100 bolts holding it all together, and I was figuring what we could do is just unbolt the whole system and then slide it onto the car.
Well, then why don't we do that? Put the camera up.
We are going to do that.
Okay.
That's what we're doing. I got the tool. We're going to get her done.
Good.
I'm actually thinking that, where's our hood hinges on this? Oh, we already took them off. Did we already take those off?
Obviously, they're not on there.
All right, so we took those off already. And then
You
this
think
is
they disappeared?
I see where I marked that. That's for our sensor. Now, I did notice on this one here, these sensors cost like $400. So let me show you what we got. Yeah, here it is. This is our sensor. See, this is the bad boy that blew the airbags out. This little thing right here. So hopefully that's a good sensor and we'll be able to reuse that. Maybe.
And more than likely you'll be able to get your bracket right here.
Oh, is that bracket there? Oh, well, look, it is broke. But see, look, we got a bracket.
Exactly.
We saved him another $100 because my friend Pete took his time out to go all the way to San Antonio, Texas to pick the pile of shit up. You know what? While we're on camera here, let's just try it out here. Let me get up. Okay, I got a ratchet. And we're gonna go outside here. We're gonna try to take this thing off. See if the whole thing will slide off. That'll save me and you time and money. Because it's all about time and money, right? Isn't that what it's about, saving the guy money? I mean, it doesn't matter if he's a multimillionaire or if he's a poor guy. We're here trying to make a living, right? Should I charge this guy more money? Should I?
Start, Pete. Come on. God, man, sometimes you are the most ignorant motherfucker I think I've ever met in my life.
No, I'm not. I don't know why you're even saying that. I don't even know why you just said
Because
that.
the way you act.
How am I acting? I'm trying to get this done so we can leave. So we can leave town and not come back and have to hear bumper to bumper traffic
Why are you being so
on a road.
overly
Look at this
dramatic?
road.
Why are you being so overly dramatic?
But look at this
Pete?
road out here.
Who
This used to be a
cares?
two-lane
It's
road.
been like it's always
Now
been.
it's a 4-lane.
The road has always been the same size. They painted lines on it. Now
Yeah.
Pete thinks it's a fucking different road. Good God.
They painted lines on it, and now there's double traffic.
Yeah, just because there's lines painted on it, now there's more traffic. Yeah,
I think it's ridiculous.
I think you're.
When I moved up here, it wasn't like this. I can tell you that. It's nice and peaceful and quiet. You're like out in the country. Now it's like we're in downtown Dallas around here. We got 18-wheelers that drive by beeping their horns over here. Okay? We got big trucks driving, can't even concentrate and think. Look at what we got here. Look. Look at my finger pointing up here. Do you see that? Look at that giant pole. Look at the pole.
If you didn't have that pole here, you wouldn't be working because you'd have no electricity.
That giant pole and all these wires. Now I'm wondering why my ears are always fucking ringing. Maybe we found out
It's
after
probably 'cause you're loud
after
voice.
33 years, we finally found out.
Your big mouth.
Okay, what we're gonna do is this piece right here. See this piece? This isn't one piece. There's like 6 pieces, 8 pieces here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt that bracket, and I'm gonna loosen these off the fender here, and then we're gonna go ahead and see if that whole thing will slide off, and then we'll slide it on there, and then hopefully Mr. Majestic, because he's supposed to have all the parts for us. You know? And who's the one cutting the deals around here?
You are. That's why we have no money.
Go ahead and turn it off. We'll turn it back on and get the thing off.
Finally, get some work done.
Oh, señorita, llama a la policía. Bebida mantequilla, loco de alegría. Oh, señorita, policía, ¿dónde va?
That's what I'm talking about. You know? Huh? That's what I'm talking about people, okay? Do you see now? Can you go ahead and grab that so we can slip it on here, please?
I said, all I can say is wow, but I bet it would be different if it was your son.
Great, baby. That's really great.
Fuck that fucking bitch.
Okay, why are you telling me?
Because it fucking pisses me off.
About what?
I'm not doing it, Pete.
That's what I'm saying. I'm pissed off about this. Can you grab it, please? What are you doing? You grab it and then you throw it back down. You know? Well, you need to be careful with that. Okay, watch them wires. Pull them wires out of there. Pull the wires up.
They're not in the
Pull
way.
the wires up so they don't get jammed in there. There you go. All right, hold on now. It's got to go on here just right. Slide it up. Watch your fingers. It goes under the fender thing. It's not going on. Okay, put yours up. Okay, it's not going on right. There you go. Now,
Does this go on top or underneath?
it goes underneath.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. The whole thing's down. There. Okay, mine's on.
Mine's on.
Okay, slide it on here. Okay. That wasn't really that hard, okay?
No, it wasn't. All you're yelling and screaming for nothing.
I'm not yelling about that. What I'm yelling about is this is an over-engineered pile of shit.
Stop.
That's what I'm talking about. And, you know, it costs $1 million for this thing. Where are you going?
Be quiet, Pete.
You know, if it wasn't for me going to San Antonio, we wouldn't have this
Oh,
thing.
God. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a fucking headache right now.
Well,
You're your big
you
fucking
know, you could get some of them big
Shut
balls here and
up,
start
Pete.
putting them in.
Quit talking.
Nice. So we got this front end together now. This is basically what we had left. This is our accident over here, see? And what really sucks about this job, it's not an insurance job.
And that's good because you know what?
Not really.
Insurance rates are like $30 an hour
No, they're not.
cheaper than normal
I guarantee
rates.
you, if this was an
Oh,
insurance
except
job,
for Pete Hughes' rates because he has to be a friend to every mofo that walks into place.
I
so he has to
guarantee
give
ya.
everybody a buddy deal.
if this was an
That's why
insurance
we're
job,
broke all the time.
if this was an insurance job, I would be making double or triple what I'm doing now.
I know because you wouldn't be giving a buddy deal.
Well, the insurance company, you know, they pay.
You're an idiot, Pete.
I don't know how that is. I'm just trying to make a living.
Pete loves this expression right here. Ignorance is bliss. That's his fucking motto.
What does that mean?
Figure it out.
Well, I just lost the damn screw. Shit. I can't get it out of here. Dang it.
That's what you get.
Oh, this sucks.
Side with the devil, he runs right there next to you.
I can't get it out of here. It will not come out. I'm gonna have to get my magnet. So, we're gonna get the car done, okay? Did you hear me?
Of course we are.
We are gonna get the car done. We can't even go to Moab until this is done.
Oh, bullshit. We're leaving before this is done.
No, we aren't. I'm not gonna leave this guy stuck in the middle of me working on it. We don't get paid any money. This will be done and out on the front road before we leave. Okay? We are not going anywhere until this car is completely 100% done. And when we shake a hand and wave goodbye to him, then we'll be getting in our vehicles and rolling out of the parking lot.
We're going to Moab in 2 days.
I'm talking about
You're
for
an idiot.
good.
You're a freaking
I'm
idiot.
talking about for good. I'm not talking about...
And not just an idiot, but stupid at that.
Can I have some tape, please? I need a piece of tape.
Sometimes you are so
These bolts are hard to get to. This is the over-engineered Mercedes. Okay, it's gonna take some. Yeah, you got it.
It's going to take some more idiot
Ingenuity and
talk.
get
Some
it
more idiot
fixed.
talk.
Okay, it's either take this air pump out of here that controls the air shocks and everything. Did I tell you this is an air ride suspension? Look, come here. Look at this air pump this thing's got on it. I bet you if that thing ever blows up, that's several $1,000s.
Yeah, why don't you stand right there right in front of us, and just in case it blows up in your face.
How's it gonna blow up when it's not even running? That doesn't even make sense.
I don't know. You're the one that's
Well, why would it
worried
blow
about
up?
You're
Why
the
would
one
it
worried
blow
about
up?
it blowing up.
It wouldn't even blow up. That's ridiculous. That's stupid.
Okay, then why'd you say
Kind of
it?
like that ignorant comment you made.
Why'd you say it then?
You know, I don't even know what you meant by that comment, but that's kind of an insult.
Take it how you want it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to get this all together, and then once we get it together, Minnie's got to get on the sanding of it. And then hopefully, if we can get that done, then we can actually get this car done. Over-engineered pile of shit that it is. And I can't believe, you know what I can't believe? Is that you tell yourself, I wish I had one of these cars.
I don't tell myself that.
Yeah, you did. You used to.
No, I
Yeah,
don't.
you did. You said you always wanted a nice car like this to drive. I think we got the message here.
Yeah.
The message is,
He's an idiot.
the message is, when you're self-employed, you get fucked. Okay?
Only if you fuck
The
yourself.
message is
when you fuck yourself.
is when Mr. Moneybags rolls in and he doesn't have full coverage insurance, you get fucked.
No, you don't.
Okay?
You charge him.
I gave him a price. He whined and cried about it.
You're an idiot.
He whined and cried.
Then you tell him go somewhere else.
He whined and cried, and he says, I got to pay this guy that much, and I got to buy all these parts. So? Why are you telling me?
You're an idiot, Pete.
I'm the one laying on the ground
Everybody
here,
thinks that.
getting
And
filthy
everybody knows
dirty.
that. You're just a fucking idiot.
Not you. You're in your other Mercedes driving
Idiot,
around.
Idiot, 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 idiot.
You're in your other Mercedes driving around.
Idiot,
Am I right?
idiot, 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 idiot.
Hopefully, when Mr. Majestic comes around, he's going to have the rest of the parts so he can work on it. Because now this is another deal of being self-employed. I don't have all the parts here. I asked him this morning, hey, when are you going to get the... Well, it won't be probably today. When are you leaving to Moab? Well, we'll just wait. I can have 90% of this done, all right, now.
Well, then why are you being an idiot? Why don't you just go inside, tell the owner that you're ordering the parts, and order the parts, Pete, like you normally do with any other job?
Because he said he has all the parts.
Then go up to his job.
He doesn't have them there. He said he'd bring them to me.
Then what's the problem, Pete? He doesn't have to
The
order.
problem is we got a lot of stuff going on here.
Oh, shut up.
Come on over here.
No, the only problem
Come
is
here.
you're fucking loud.
Come here. Here's another one. See? Here's another one. He talked me into me taking this to Moab. He talked me into it. I didn't want to.
You know what? Here, you do the rest.
I didn't want to take it. Okay? But he talked me into it.
When you're ready to work,
He talked me into it. Do I want to take that thing to Moab? Do I want to? No, I don't. But I'm self-employed, and I have to. I'm forced. All right, I'm forced by the slave to the trade, you might call it, to do what I got to do to make a quick buck and pay that electric bill or water bill or whatever needs to be paid, and put food on my table, guy. That's what we're doing now. We're in that situation, right there. That's what's going on.
Mitten in der Wüste lässig stand sie da. Die Männer sahen ihre Brüste. Es war tief in einer Bar. Der Senorita